Hi, everyone. I'm Natasha, a second year PhD researcher at the University of Sydney. And I wanted to tell you about this cool initiative I came across called Origami Lab, a community all about creating tech savvy, automated, and open source research tools and methods. And I love their approach. One of their first projects is to build COBALT, a research management platform where you can easily journal your research. So I wanted to share my experiences of using this platform. My first impression of the platform is that I love how open source it is. All the front end and back end code is freely available on their GitHub page. And I find that so cool. And I especially love the open source community. I found the platform relevant because you can keep track of all your experiments, projects that you're doing, and their deadlines. You can also more easily search previous entries. I found the user interface clean and modern, and I love that their color scheme is easy on the eyes, which makes me feel like I could use it on a daily basis to record my research. So, anyway, those are my thoughts, and I really look forward to seeing this platform and also the community grow. Thanks.